It's your boy Codehova with Fly Combinator. We pimping Swift, and we're going to be talking about the ternary operator. So, what the ternary operator is like, it's like a very simple and very short way to do some kind of evaluation where you only have two situations, like an if-else. You can't do ternary operators on if, else statements. So we have here a constant of a bank, which is equal to 1,000,000. And we have a constant value that's going to be a string called how I'm feeling. So in this if-else block, if the bank is over 100 racks, right, 100 grand, you're going to be feeling like a boss. And if you have less than, anything less than 100 racks, you're going to be feeling kind of broke. All right. So as you can see, what this is here, it's 4-5 lines of code. And because this is a simple situation where it's either this or that, you could use a ternary operator. And this is how you write a ternary operator. Let me comment these out because I'm going to be doing the ternary operator, you dig? So we're going to make this equal to, and what we're going to do right here is the evaluation. So bank is over 100,000. And then we follow that with a question mark. And if bank is true, you're going to feel like a boss. And then the separator is a semicolon, and you're going to be feeling kind of broke. All right. So if you let this run, and I uncomment this, I'm going to be feeling like a boss. So this here is exactly the same as this here. So what you're doing is the evaluation. We're saying if bank is over 100 grand, it's exactly the same as this. If so, this is the value you want. And this is going to be assigned to this constant value of how I'm feeling. Now, if the bank is going to be like, let's say that this is just 10,000. You can be feeling kind of broke because this bank is 10,000. It's not greater than 100 grand, so it's not going to run this true value. It's going to run the false value, which is kind of broke. So there's conventions, again, like how different companies work. I've been in both situations where it's like, let how I'm feeling to equal, you put the evaluation within parentheses. Some people say that it makes it easier to read. Right? So what you put into this block right here, it doesn't matter. It could be a number. Because as you can see, after this runs, this is an int. So you could put in whatever you want here, and it's going to be assigned to the value that you have declared. It doesn't have to be it could be something else. It could be like it could be a variable, right? And then you could just say, bam. So it's going to run, I'm broke. Well, this isn't going to work because this was first a string. You can't put an int into a string value. So let's just say ran again. False here in second evaluation. All right. So let's see how I'm feeling is. So because bad example, y'all. Bad example. But anyways, so this is the ternary operator. The evaluation goes first. It's followed by a question mark. After the question mark is what you want the true value to be. And after the semicolon, the separator, is the falsy value you want to assign to whatever it is left of the assignment operator. So that's the ternary operator, y'all. Let's get it on rocking. We pimpin' Swift. Yiddy!